Italy wine regions. Each region has its flagship wine styles. Some are famous because they are produced in large volumes and can be found all over the world. Others because of their consistently high quality. The wine regions of northern Italy, this is northern Italy, similarly, Veneto's vast output, the region made over 1 billion liters of wine in 2021, of Prosecco, Soave, Valpolicella, and varietal Pinot Grigio, little to boost its reputation as a fine wine region, and yet it produces one of the world's richest finest wines, Amarone della Valpolicella. In the very northeast, Friuli marks not only the blurred boundary between Italy and the countries of Slovenia and Austria, but also hosts both of high quality, often varietally labeled wine industry alongside a more cult minimal intervention wine chains in the likes of Collio Goriziano on the border with Slovenia. Alpe Trentino and Valle d'Aosta are similar, although wine's production in the Aosta Valley is a teeny 2 million liters annually, the smallest region in the country, with cultural and winemaking influences from across the border in Austria and Switzerland, respectively, as well as boasting something of a cult following. Between the two, Piedmont should need little introduction as the picturesque home of Barolo, Barbaresco, and Moscati d'Asti. Among others, it would be hard to miss in most wine shops and lists, while Lombardy has a now well-established reputation for sparkling wines, primarily due to the global fortunes of champagne-influenced Franciacorta. Although Liguria would appear to have it all, a range of interesting grape varieties, including Vermentino, found along the Mediterranean coast into France. A dramatic and highly evocative coastal scenery and a small-scale production. It remains rarely seen outside of its domestic market. Emilia-Romagna, meanwhile, has yet to relive the fortunes of the once favorite Lambrusco sparkling wines, although the sparkling red wine style is having something of a revival in same circles, despite producing a range of wines worthy of great attention. We pass now to the wine region of central Italy, Tuscany. Is Italy's poster child, known for its rolling hills, terracotta tilled roofs, cypress tree-lined roads, and generic Chianti, of course. However, among the voted wine aficionados is Brunello di Montalcino and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, as well as Chianti Classico, are more highly regarded. It doesn't stop there. The region also boasts the coastal climes of Maremma and Bolgheri, the savory whites of Vernaccia di San Gimignano, and the nutty, oxidative, sweet Vinsantos produced across Tuscany. Even the pan-regional Toscana EGT title has become something of a synonym for high-quality wines produced with international varieties such as Merlot and or Cabernet Sauvignon, sometimes combined with a traditional Sangiovese. Umbria and Lazio are probably best known for their once widely encountered white wines, Orvieto and Frascati, respectively. Both, however, offer significantly more interest to the curious, including the fantastically titled Est de Montefascione. On the other side of the Apennines, the Marche and Abruzzo face the Adriatic and boast easily as much pink scenery as Tuscany. The Marche's flagship wines are undoubtedly the herbaceous and nutty whites of Verdicchio dei Castelli di Jesi, while Abruzzo's Montepulciano d'Abruzzo seems to boast as many fans as it suffers respective reminders, not to be confused with Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. The wine regions of southern Italy, just south of Abruzzo, hilly region of Molise and its flagship Biferno wines made in the hill inland from the coast. Beyond that, Italy's hill and sun-drenched lands of Puglia, Italy Hill. In the far south, varieties and consequently the wines of much the Asian trans-Adriatic connection to Greece and the Balkans, often producing deep, tannic, aromatic, and flavorful red wine, spanning the Aglianicos of Basilicata and Campania, the Galliopos of Calabria, the Negro Amaros and Primitivo of Puglia. The deeply colored, aromatic, powerful, and flavorful red grape phenomenon even crosses the Strait of Messina. This is the Strait of Messina, it's here. On to Sicily, where Nero d'Avola reigns supreme, despite the island boasting a host of fascinating red and wine varieties, including Frappato, Grillo, Nerello, Mascalese, and Civivo. The island also boasts the high altitudes, highly fashionable regions of the slopes of the Etna volcanoes. Lastly, Sardinia. Sits to the west of the country as a crossroads of Mediterranean influences, fully embracing Grenache, which is here known as Canono. It's likely an Asian Spanish import, as it's Carignan, also widely planted, although the white Vermentino likely came to the island via Corsica or direct-ish from Liguria.